Hey, what's up guys? Bob here for BP Fishing. Just got off of work, had to rush home, grab a few things, but getting ready to head out. So I got off later than expected, and I really didn't want to have to run home, but I kind of had no choice but to do so. But we're gonna go do some evening fishing. I've got one of the spots that I go to, one of the ponds that are kind of in an industrial area, one of those top secret places. But I'm gonna go check that out. Hopefully we can get on some fish. I haven't been there at all this season. The weather has been all over the place. So the weather's been in the 70s, 60s, dropped down to the 50s, 40s at nighttime. It's been just a roller coaster of weather so far this spring. So hopefully we can find what they're biting on and find a couple of them. I just want to do some fishing and hopefully catch something decent. But weather's warm, so gonna enjoy this. Hopefully, like I said, we'll find some fish. All right, we're at a fishing hole. See if we can find anything here. Had some luck here in the past. Sorry about the wind. Wind is gonna be tough for a little while until I turn the corner. I actually see a dead bass floating in the water right there. Water levels are a little bit low. There we go. He hit that right at the shore. Oh, you have them on you? Mine are in there.
Using a swim bait, huh?
Yeah.
I didn't even bring any.
All right.
Little guy.
Just a little guy, but it works. Caught him on a 4-inch Kitech swim bait on a number 5 hook, I think it is. This thing is yellow and green. A little bit of blue and purple glitter in there. But yeah, hopefully more. What's that?
That's pretty big for this year's spawn. Or a bass.
That's a baby bass.
How?
Let's see. How can we do it? Hold it up real close to the camera. Let's see. What do you guys think that is? Baby bass? Looks like it. I would assume it is. I mean, you see it's 3 fingers long. There we go. There we go. Come on, buddy. Don't know where he went. There he is. Not too big, but I'm taking him. Bigger than the last one. That's all that matters. This time I got him. This time I got him on this blue, yellow lunker hut. Size has gone up a little bit. I'm kind of liking that. He's got some damage on his side, you can see that. Yeah, looking pretty good. Slimy as can be, but I love him. Let's get him back in the water. All right, back at home now. Wasn't the greatest day of fishing. Got a couple fish, but nothing absolutely amazing, which kind of stinks, but you know, that's how fishing is sometimes. The bite's been really tough for me lately. I see some other people just on some amazing fish, but for some reason around me, things have been tough. They've been real tough. But, you know, that's just, like I said before, with this weather going up and down, that's just the way it is right now. And hopefully the temperatures will go up a little bit, stay consistent, and then the bite will be consistent as well. Got a lot of things going on. I've been doing a lot of lure making. I've got tons of lures all over the place. They're just hanging and getting thrown up on Etsy and stuff like that. So there's just, it's a madhouse over here. A lot of stuff going on. Hopefully we'll get on some more fish soon. I've got a few trips planned to local ponds and rivers, stuff like that. So hopefully we can get a few of those within the coming few weeks, weekends, whatever the case may be. So, but thank you guys for watching. I appreciate the support. If you can, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, just say hello. If I haven't seen you in a while, I know it's been a few weeks since I posted a video. I've got to get some more of the spraying session videos going as well, but between work, between lure making and everything at home, things have been absolutely crazy, and I've got to make time for more of it. So, but thank you guys again. We'll talk to you soon.